Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Flex, and today I'm going to show you how to fold up and down all these seats. So starting with this very back row, there's directions here you can see, but typically to start the folding we're going to pull this red lever, and that'll loosen the seats. Pretty tricky to do with just one hand, but I'll do my best. So from here we'll pull this red lever, and that'll make it so this will fold down. And then at this point you could pull this black one once it's folded down, and it'll lower the whole seats even more. But all right, now I gotta climb back out. It's hard for the camera work. And then from here to raise this back up the way it was if you're coming in from the trunk. This is just here to help reach easier so you can reach the top. Just to push this back up. And again, this lowers this too. But you can just pull this while pulling that red strap again to raise the seat back up. So it's back like that one is. And both sides work the same, the passenger and the driver's side seats. And then for these middle row seats, you can see you can fold down like this, which you can do with this lever here. And this is also a release lever if needed. That'll release it to fold back. You have to fold this back up, you just push it up, and then you're going to fold it down. You can just pull that, or you can use this strap. Same process for this passenger side. Then for these front seats, if you've got power to your vehicle, pushing this will make the whole seat slide forward. Pushing this will make the whole seat slide back. This kind of adjusts your lumbar support, so as you spin it, this will come in and out. And this is just completely missing here. But I should be able to show you in the passenger side, but there's a control arm here normally that'll like this raise forward and back. I'll check on the passenger side now. But from this side, as you can see, this makes this slide forward or back. And usually with two hands you can push this forward or back, but basically when you pull this up it releases the lock. So now you could push this forward or back with your other hand, and then when you release this locks it in place. And then for this one, to move the whole seat forward or backward, you lift this bar, and then you can slide the seat forward or back. And when you release this lever, it locks it in place. And then also, if your car's nearly as dirty as this one, I highly recommend you see a detail shop and they clean this up for you. But I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.